It's really kind of difficult to decide what to do videos on nowadays with new dystopian horrors unfolding every day in the news, and you know, fascist dictatorships and whatnot, and the end of any semblance of democracy that has ever even lately been tossed around as an idea in this country. But yeah, these tariffs have now killed the solar generator company that I bought my solar generator from. My Titan from Portable Solar Power. They have announced they are closing, which means no more support for my solar generator. No more buying extra batteries and expanding it. They're doing a complete closeout of their inventory and have already run out of the newer updated Titan Boost and the other newer Titan that they came out with. I have the original first Titan and an expansion battery, and I bought a little cart to roll it around on, and a battery expansion thing that goes on top so I can hook other types of batteries to it that aren't specifically made for it. And right now they're all they have left really is the folding suitcase 200 watt solar panels available, and a Titan upgrade and repair kit for $800 that I'm trying to figure out how I'm ever going to afford before they run out of them and close. The last day to get your warranties in, if you need warranty work on your Titan, is May 15th, which is, you know, rapidly approaching next week, so that's fun. Yeah, the Orange Nazi killed Portable Power Solar. They killed the solar company that I bought my first ever solar generator from, and all the warranty support and parts and everything that people are going to need in the next 20 whatever years to keep theirs going. They took out an American company that was providing quiet, reliable, affordable solar generators for people with this tariff bullshit. So just thought I would briefly express my fucking disgust over that. And yeah, pretty fucking appalling. If you've lost your job, been laid off recently due to this insane dictator bullshit and this tariff shit, drop a comment below and tell us your story. It's sure there are plenty out there. Yeah, the oligarchy doesn't give two shits what happens to us, and they are purposefully crashing this invention we made up called the economy that's gonna cause fuckloads of suffering because we act like the economy is a real thing that should matter and dictate the quality of life that we live and our ability to function as a society. So yeah, so no more Titan solar generator manufacturing. I imagine all the parts that they were using for it just became ridiculous to the point where they couldn't continue to manufacture and function as a solar generator company. And so there you have it. This is, you know, repeating hundreds of thousands of times across the country to small businesses, especially those that deal in cleaner energy, and it's royally fucking everybody over, especially the farmers and preppers and permaculture people and everyone who's trying to live in harmony with the rest of the natural world and not destroy life on the planet for profit. Well, before this turns into a giant rant, let's focus our attentions elsewhere, I guess.